Kolkata and I share a deep connection. It's the city I grew up in. It's also a city I share a strong passion with, and that's the passion for food. Hello, I'm Asif Iqbal, but you can call me the Demolition Guy. You ask why? You'll get to know that soon. Today, I'm going to the Kolkata branch of an iconic Mumbai brand, which is known for serving some amazing Avdi and Mughlai fare. But I have my eyes on one particular dish. So come on with me and I'm going to show you that. Hello, Mr. Shantan. How are you?
Hi, Asif. How are you?
Can I call you Shantanda?
Yeah, certainly. Why not?
So, Shantanda is the owner of Kareem's. But this is not Kareem's from Delhi. This is a Mumbai-based brand and is spelled K-A-R-E-E-M apostrophe S. So, what is Kareem's all about?
Kareem's all about is kebabs, curries and biryanis, okay? The main speciality of the kebabs and the biryanis, we have potli kebab.
What is potli? Potli means, a small thela.
Yes, a thela.
Yeah.
Thela के अंदर आपका पूरा minced chicken रहता है.
Wow, so it's chicken, उसके अंदर minced chicken.
Yes.
Double chicken.
Wow. And there will be chicken Afghani, there will be chicken chapli, mutton chapli.
So different kinds of kebab. And what about the curries that you have?
We have chicken Lahori, mutton Karachi.
These are very unusual names you don't get to hear in any other restaurants.
No. Only in Calcutta, only in Kareem's you will get.
इतना कुछ खाने के बारे में सुन लिया. So let's go and see where all this action is happening.
Yes.
Let's go and check out the kitchen. I'm smelling some biryani here.
Yeah.
Is this the handi full of biryani?
This is Kareem special biryani. It's totally different from Calcutta biryani. It's fully dum biryani and fully Awadhi style.
Okay.
So and the taste, it's so different that is the uniqueness.
I'm already salivating.
You want to taste?
No. Let's proceed. I'm already salivating here.
Okay.
This looks so good. There is a white kebab, there is a green kebab, there is an orange kebab.
Yes. The name of the dish is chicken Afghani kebab.
And you know how different it is. It is like less spicy and more
it's totally
subtle
less spicy,
flavor.
and it's a subtle flavor also. You will get a mixture of green and it will so juicy na. It will melt.
So it is totally different from the regular chicken tandoori that we eat in Canada. And we have something inside the tandoor.
Yeah, it's in the tandoor.
It's a Sikh kebab?
Yeah, it's chicken Nizami. Okay.
Chicken Nizami.
Yes.
You have got all the good kebabs from northern parts of our country to Calcutta.
Yes.
But there is one particular dish for which I am here, and that is, let me show that to you.
Yeah.
Tantaran! I am here for Kareem's signature dish, which is the tandoori raan. Yes, a whole leg mutton piece. So, Shantanda,
Yes.
इसको prepare कैसे किया जाता है?
One of our executive chef, Mr. Mohammad Arif. Mr. Arif.
Hi, Mr. Arif. How are you?
Our executive chef, Mr. Mohammad Arif, who will explain you the preparation of raan tandoori.
Okay.
Per piece raan is weighed around 1 kg 250 grams.
1 kg 250 grams.
Yes. It's a huge raan, and at least 6 people can share.
This?
Yes.
6 to 7 people?
Yes.
इसका मतलब इतना खासियत जो है, वन ऑफ द सिग्नेचर डिश है करीम्स का, तो इसकी खासियत क्या है?
इसकी खासियत ये है कि हम ट्रेडिशनल स्टाइल में पकाते हैं.
अच्छा.
मैरिनेशन करके हम 2 घंटा छोड़ देते हैं. उसके बाद फिर दम लगाते हैं. फिर उसके बाद स्मोक की फ्लेवर के लिए स्मोकिंग अलग से लगता है.
अच्छा. For those who don't know what dum is basically a process of cooking जहाँ पर जो खाना है वो अपने फ्लेवर में पकता है. It's put in a sealed handi and it's totally covered and it's cooked on low flame so that the flavors are cooked really well and the meat is really tender. ये कितने देर मैरिनेट होता है?
2 घंटा.
2 घंटा. ये मैरिनेटेड रहे,
मैरिनेशन करके 2 घंटा हम छोड़ देते हैं।
और उसके बाद
उसके बाद फिर इसको दम लगाते हैं हांडी में,
दम लगा के, और वो दम कितने देर रहता है?
70 मिनट 80 मिनट।
तो 2 घंटा मैरिनेशन और 1.5 घंटा दम, हो गए 3.5 घंटे। उसके बाद रेडी।
उसके बाद आधा घंटा हम छोड़ देते हैं, उसको ढक्कन खुलता नहीं है।
उसके बाद और आधा घंटा छोड़ देते हैं।
हाँ वो भी
तो 2 + 1.5 + आधा हो गया 4 घंटा। उसके बाद तो खा सकते हैं ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। उसके बाद तंदूर में जाता है।
उसके बाद फिर तंदूर में जाते हैं। और तंदूर में कितने देर?
15 to 20 मिनट्स।
15-20 मिनट। मतलब अब तो कहावत बदलनी पड़ेगी कि सब्र का फल मीठा नहीं, रान तंदूरी होता है सब्र का फल। अब इसमें अब क्या करना है?
इसमें अभी हम डालेंगे गार्लिक जिंजर पेस्ट।
गार्लिक जिंजर पेस्ट। अभी क्या करना है बताइए?
अब इसको मैरिनेट करने का है।
मैं मदद करूं कुछ? अच्छा, मैरिनेट में मैं देखा हूं, मैं सुना हूं कि जब आप कोई मीट में मैरिनेट करते हैं तो आप हल्का हल्का जो है मीट के ऊपर उसको हल्का मसाज करते हैं ताकि वो जो उसका टेंशन जो है रिलीज हो जाए और वो मीट और टेंडर हो जाए। सही है,
टेंडर हो जाए और वो अच्छे से मसाला खींच सके।
मैं जितनी भी कोशिश कर लूँ इनके अच्छा तो तंदूरी रान नहीं बना सकता, क्योंकि मुझे 20 मिनट भी नहीं हुए हैं इसमें हाथ लगाते हुए, और ये लगभग 20 साल से जो है ये रान तंदूरी बना। ये क्या है?
ये घी है।
अरे मटन में तो ऑलरेडी काफी मार्बलाइजेशन ऑफ मीट होता है, काफी फैट रहता है। जो कि
रेड मीट के ऊपर हम लोग जो घी का चलन है वो सालों से चलता है।
ये आपको क्या लगता है मैं कितना खा पाऊंगा? पहले मेरा साइज देखिए।
3-4 तो आराम से खा लीजिएगा।
3-4 खा लूंगा ना। ये हुई थोड़ी हौसला अफजाई। दिस इज लाइक अ मोरल बूस्टिंग फॉर मी। So I think our marination is done, and now this will go for cooking in dum. So let's take this for dum. तो ये रान पूरी तरीके से दम हो चुका है
जी सर।
और इसको अब आप तंदूर में डालेंगे।
Yes, yes.
और तंदूर में कितना देर तक बनेगा ये?
सर तंदूर में 10-15 मिनट रहेगा।
10-15 मिनट रहेगा।
जी, मैं इसको अभी सजे में लगाऊंगा और इसमें मसाला रहेगा।
बहुत बढ़िया। Shantanda told me that he has a different chef for tandoor and a different chef for marination. So that is the level of expertise that is going in the preparation of tandoori ram, and trust me, I cannot wait to try this and indulge in the goodness of some heavy duty mutton feasting. So till the time the ram is being prepared in the tandoor, Ramzan bhai will plate it. I am going to sit on the table and wait for the tandoori ram. याद से मेरे लिए 2 रान आप इसको बनाओ और मैं चलता हूँ वेट करने। So while the ran is being cooked in the tandoor, all I can do is wait for my dish. But tab tak I don't know what to do. But I am eagerly waiting to eat that mutton ran because it is so beautiful. It's succulent piece of meat being cooked in tandoor with all the Indian spices marinated. I just can't wait for it. I'm getting really impatient because my dish isn't coming. I understand that good food takes time to prepare, but I am a very impatient man. And when I'm hungry, I get into the demolition mode. I become the demolition guy. And that's not what I am, the demolition guy. फाइनली मैं हेल्प कर देता हूँ यार, बहुत भूख लगी है मुझे। Here are my tandoori ran. It looks absolutely delicious. It looks a romance of flavors on plate. Oh, the goodness of Indian tandoor. I can't wait to dig in. So which one I start? Left, right, left, right. Let me pick up any. How does it matter? It's only me. And who's going to need this, man? There I go. I'm about to eat this ram. Anybody here? I have got 2 lovely tandoori rans. Anyone who wants to join and compete with me? Anybody out here? No? 3, 2. I say 2 again. 1. No one? Let's do it myself then. Challenger? Yes? Who are you? Rahim. You think you're gonna beat me in my game? Actually, it's my game. Are you sure about that? Let's go. Let's go. Wow, it's one of the most delicious things I've ever eaten. Me too. This is delicious. This is romance on plate, I would say. My name is the Demolition Guy, and I love cracking bones. Like a joke. We'll see to it. So moist. Parvon. Told you, brother, not to mess. Yes! Completed the whole run. Told you not to mess. Because I am the Demolition Guy. Let me finish this off also. Rahim did a fabulous job today. Though he lost, but he has done himself proud. Because it is not easy to finish this entire run alone. So next time when you come here ordering for Ran Tandoori, get couple of your friends who will help you finish this off. Till then, keep eating and see you soon.